Hey TCL crew, happy Vlogmas day 23. We've made it to day 23. Vlogmas is almost over. Thank you for sticking with your girl, and let's get into this video.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
What Christmas is all about?
Crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making hot chocolate bombs. So if you would like to see how we made our hot chocolate bombs, stay tuned for this video. So the first thing we will do is heat up a saucepan so we can melt our Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels. That is what I used. You can use whatever chocolate you would like to melt, but I preferred this. So I used probably 1 to 2 cups. You can pretty much use however much you want depending on how many molds you will be making. And they melt pretty quickly, so stir occasionally, make sure that it doesn't burn, and just keep stirring until it is all the way melted through. Look at all that yummy goodness. It melted so well, guys. So now that it is melted, we are going to begin making our molds. All right, so here we have our rubber molds. Rubber is going to be easier than, say, metal. It'll be easier to take the molds out. So we are going to do our first layer of chocolate. Make sure you get all the sides and the edges well. After you do the first layer, we will put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes so we can harden. Now it is time for the second layer of chocolate. The second layer is just going to make sure that the mold does not break apart. This will go back in the refrigerator for another 10 minutes until the mold hardens. All right, so you guys have seen how I made the chocolate molds. All right, so time to take them out. Real simple to make. All right, so we have our chocolate molds. We have a warmed plate. I warmed it on top of the stove, a warmed plate. And we have our toppings and things that we will be using for our hot chocolate bombs. So the first thing you want to do is take one of the molds and just rub it, let it melt a little bit, rub it on the side of the plate. Don't leave it too long or it's going to melt. Put a spoonful of cocoa powder, and then you want to put some marshmallows or whatever other toppings that you would like to add. But we're going to do cocoa and marshmallows. And you get your second mold, melt the other side, and put it right on top. Boom. Gonna stay together without dropping. Let's do that again. You can put any toppings that you like in. We're gonna put a spoon of cocoa powder, a little spoon of, I have crushed peppermint right here, a little spoon of crushed peppermint, and some marshmallows. Then we're going to melt another top. And the dinner plate should stay hot or stay warm for a bit. And we're going to close it up. Ooh. And being that I'm just making these for the kids today, I'm not going to worry about cleaning it up. But if you want to clean up the edges, you can make sure it's well heated and melt the edges around and get something to wipe the edges around so you can close it properly. But here's the second one. You choose to decorate it with like frosting or anything else that you would like to decorate. But it's simple today, so I bought some strawberry Hershey's syrup, and I'm going to decorate it with the syrup. So y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. So let's see. All right, just a little bit. If you have sprinkles, you can use sprinkles to decorate it. You can make it real fancy. But today I'm gonna be real simple. My boys want some hot chocolate, and that's what we're doing today. But you can sprinkle some over top of it if you would like, peppermint. And here we have it. Hot chocolate bombs. Now I'm going to show y'all how we are going to put these hot chocolate bombs in some hot chocolate. All right, so let's go. All right, so we have our hot chocolate bombs right here, and we have our hot cup of milk here. We're going to put the bombs in the cup first. So now we're going to pour the milk on top of it. And it floats. If y'all can see this, it floats to the top and it busts open. So I'm going to give you a view of what I'm seeing right now. I'm going to show you guys how that looked. All right, so we have the hot chocolate bomb inside the cup. We're going to pour the milk in. And as you can see, it floats to the top, floating to the top. And it bursts open like a bath bomb, and all of the goodness comes out, and you just stir until everything is melted into the hot milk.
And then you pour it in there, you pour it in there, and it dissolves.
That one has the strawberry.
And then you take this.
Wait.
And mix it all together. It is looking good.
How does it taste?
Chocolate? It tastes like this.
It is good.
Yummy.
Definitely try this. If you've ever made hot chocolate bombs, let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell.
Yeah.
Follow your girl because I have a lot more videos coming to you guys. We made it. We made it through Vlogmas. If you made it through Vlogmas, give yourself a pat on the back. We did it. Definitely let me know in the comments if you would like to give this a try. You can make these with your kids, make it fun, and it tastes delicious. You can put whatever toppings you would like. You can decorate them. You can even use these hot chocolate bombs and make coffee bombs. If you're a coffee person, you can just add coffee to it and give it a nice little chocolate coffee flavor, and you can just switch it up and decorate however you would like. I like my hot chocolate simple with just marshmallows and the powder, the cocoa powder, if you pronounce it cocoa or cacao, however you pronounce it, but just the marshmallows and the cocoa powder, and I am okay with that simple. My boys loved the peppermint and the strawberry in it, and it made it taste even more delicious. I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you for joining the TCL crew. Hit that subscribe button until tomorrow and the day after that. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Hey guys. See you guys. Hey guys.